social set. It is what it is. We're here again with PK's Blueprint, and he finna give you this Good Friday fish fry. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I know your taste buds is itching for this one. So I'm gonna turn this over to PK. He gonna do like he always do. So let's start it off.
Hey, welcome back. You know, it is what it is. Glass Factory. It is what it is. PK Blueprint. So today, on this Good Friday, you know, we're gonna fry up some whiting. Got some whiting here, got a batter here. We're gonna make a nice whiting fish sandwich the way we used to do at the Black Eyed Peas. Trust me, it's gonna be wonderful. So I got some whiting, it's seasoned with garlic powder, garlic salt, onion powder, paprika, got Old Bay over there, you know, and a couple of extra special spices. And the mix is half cornmeal, half flour, same seasoning as the fish is in the meal. So here we go. I'm gonna batter a couple pieces. You see how you got, it's simple. I don't use an egg. You don't need egg to batter it because it's already moist. You thaw it out, you moisten it, you dry it up with the paper, and it's real simple. Just take your batter, it's been seasoned for a couple hours now, so the flavor's in there. Just take it, you wanna coat it real good, you know what I'm saying? Just coat it real good. It's old Southern fried, you know what I'm saying? You know, a lot of people like to use egg to make it stick. You know, if you want it thicker, if you want a thicker batter, like when they make it at the restaurants and stuff, that beer batter and stuff like that, when it's all batter, no, that's not what we do here, bro. We can do Southern fried, you know what I'm saying? The way I grew up, you know what I'm saying? My mom used to cook, and she's from Tennessee, so trust me, I know. So, see the batter? It's simple. I got something frying over there. I'm gonna show you this quick batter before I head over to the stove to do what we do. So,
and one more tip, ladies and gentlemen, always rinse your fish off with lemon juice. I'm hearing it takes out the smell.
The lemon juice takes out the smell. It just takes a lot of that fishy smell out. You let it soak in a little lemon juice for a little bit. The smell is gone, and it's a perfect flavor, perfect taste, and you're good to go. And you can put lemon juice and buttermilk together and let it soak in that, and that really takes out the flavor. So you know, and that makes the batter stick even better. So if you want to use a liquid with the batter, use buttermilk. No eggs, use buttermilk.
Man, so you learn something new every day. How do you know that, ladies and gentlemen?
There we go. So I'll be right back at you. I'm gonna batter these up. I'm gonna go to the fryer. And we're gonna start it again.
See you soon. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. So now we got an overhead view and as well as me and PK Blueprint talking. So you finna see what he does now, because I know a lot of y'all don't know how to cook, so he's gonna have to show you how you put it in the grease. Don't throw it in there and get burnt all up. So I'm gonna let PK get back to what he's do best. All right, PK, hit him up and let him know.
All right, so we back. As you see, I got some clams here. We just made that, you know, some garnish, something to eat, you know what I'm saying? Some lemon Old Bay clams. It's gonna be butter clams, it's gonna be banging perfect, you know what I'm saying?
Bam.
Already got it,
ladies and gentlemen.
Already got some pre-made fish here. I just made that while I was doing the last segment. I'm gonna drop some fish to show you how you fry it, because you can't turn it too soon because it'll break. So, all right, so now I'm gonna put the fish in the grease. You do it slow because it's hot grease. Don't pour it in there or drop it in there because you burn yourself. So the grease is really hot, so you just layer it in there. Just look at that, just frying. Oh my God. That's gonna be so crispy and delicious. You know what I'm saying? Get your fish and just layer it in there. Now as I'm doing that, I mean, I got room, so I drop a little nuggets. You know, this is rustic, soul food cooking, bro. I mean, ain't nothing to it. You know, measurements, it's cook what you love, cook what you like. Do what you do, feed the family, feed the friends, fish fry, whatever. You know, it's what we do. You know what I'm saying?
So listen, we'll see you soon. All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So as usual, we always coming with something new once again. So to add a little twist to it, PK is going to show you how he do his tartar sauce and his recipe for fried pickles. Yes, you heard me right, fried pickles. So PK, do what you do.
Oh, basically, if you want a good tartar sauce instead of going to the grocery store, it's real simple. Get you a food processor. You need mayonnaise, garlic, lemon juice, dill pickles. You can use any kind of pickle you want. I prefer dill pickles because the sour, the bite to it is just amazing. A little Old Bay seasoning, and you blend it together, mix it together, and it comes out amazing. And this is the finished product. When I say this tartar sauce is amazing, it's amazing. Now this is gonna go on top of the fish sandwich. And trust me, when you put this on there,
you don't need mayonnaise and mustard.
Not regret it. Same batter that I got for the fish is the same batter that I got for my fried pickle. My fried pickles with Garlic powder, garlic salt, Old Bay seasoning. Plain and simple. Plain and simple. I got an egg wash here, batter here. Plain and simple. You take your pickles, put them in the egg wash. Not that hard. Mix them up real good. That's it. Simple. Drop it in there. You coat it. You want to lightly coat it because you don't want to go overboard. Lightly coat it. Set it to the side. Set it to the side. Continue the process. Lightly batter. Bat it down. Make sure it sticks. Set it to the side. Now these pickles are gonna go in the sandwich, and when the finished product, you're gonna be like, "Whoa, wait!"
That's gonna add a whole different context to it.
This is what we do at the Blueprint.
Don't worry about it, ladies and gentlemen. This is live. This is how we do it. It's live.
Yeah, it's live, though. It's live.
Yo, this is what we do here.
I'll make it. You tell an outtake. That's an outtake. Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Hey, that's why we so real with this channel. All our people is there, people walk through.
Yeah.
We're in the highs. It's all the people there. You know what I'm saying? What it is. We live.
You know,
So we live.
the show,
We in the cut.
the show you have
We're in the cut live. This is what we do. You know what I'm saying? We talk junk, we laugh, we joke, we cook, but we do real things. We do real food. Ain't no half step in here. It's what we do. This is PK Blueprint. This is real cooking, real fun, real talk. You know what I'm saying? So like I say, real deal. So you know,
Live in the cut.
I got some pickles. Pickles, they gotta go down. So when I come back, I'm gonna show you how to make this sandwich. All right? PK Blueprint.
That's how we do at Blast Factory Social Set. Stay tuned.
All right. Welcome back to PK Blueprint. Real quick, we're gonna deep fry these pickles. Then we're gonna make our sandwich. Always want to use clean grease. I had the fish in there, but I took the fish grease out. Put some fresh oil in there so it comes out clean and crisp. You know what I'm saying? Clean and crisp. You don't want no old oil taste. You want freshness. That's what we do, freshness.
All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So like we said, we're coming to the wrap of the show. We're coming to the wrap of the show. And like we said, we wanted to promise you a real good dish. We're keeping it out the box. PK Blueprint is always coming with that raw, real, but we put a little twist once again, so you're gonna see this time, yeah, clams with tartar sauce steam, of course the fish, of course the fried pickles. So I'm gonna let PK
Let's go with the homemade tartar sauce.
and the homemade tartar
So
sauce.
here we go. Into the segment, there we go. You know what I'm saying? We got our fried fish, we got our clams with the homemade tartar sauce, we got the fried pickles, we got a regular bun, we got the onion bun. This is plain and simple. All you want to do is take a little tartar sauce, just a little bit on the bottom of your bun. Not that much. Just a little bit on the bottom of your bun. Just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Simple. Take your fish. However you like it. You know what I'm saying? Put a lot of fish, put a lot of fish. Put it on top. It's too small. I like a lot of fish. You know what I'm saying? A lot of fish.
We do it.
We're Connecticut.
That's right.
Boom. Take your tartar sauce. On top of your fish.
Drizzle. That drizzle.
The homemade tartar sauce, boy.
Homemade. I'm talking about your ladies and gentlemen band. Taste all the ingredients in
I don't
it.
know about smacking your mama. Sometimes people want to smack him, but I don't know. That's my brother though, so I
That's
can't
how
do
we
that.
do
You know
it.
what I'm saying?
I'm gonna smack my lips on that sandwich when
Do it.
it's
Take
done.
your pickles.
Fried pickles, ladies and
Put
gentlemen.
your pickles on there, bro. Put your pickles on there, bro. See, that's my other brother. He's a greedy. They don't know that. I'm gonna learn him. I'm gonna learn him today. We're gonna learn it today. Ladies and gentlemen, got your fried fish sandwich. You got your clams with the homemade tartar sauce. Your fried fish. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this.
It is what
It
it
is.
is.
It is what it is.
So, ladies and
Thank you
gentlemen.
once again for coming to PK Blueprint.
Yes, sir.
You
You
know?
know it's always real. You know how we keep it.
And like
We
you
do
say,
it.
anything out of the box is better for you. You know what I'm saying?
Always.
Keep it plain, keep it simple, keep it healthy. Peace and love.